As we pray today, let me tell you with pride that today we are gathered here to inaugurate a world-class fast food facility for welcoming us here in this booming city of Tabaco, for Sir Rafi for welcoming me to the Chowking family, and lastly, let me welcome each one of you to this truly world-class facility, Chowking Tabaco. Wow! Ini ang Chowking. Thank you.
Thank you very much. That's our franchisee, the very handsome and energetic, world class. I would say that everybody dito may bisita ay world class. And to prove that, I would like to call on for another inspirational talk, the president of Chowking. World class. Dating pa lang, pang presidente talaga ang dating isa. Hindi kayo tatakbo ngayong eleksyon, ano? Hindi po. Our president, Chowking, Mr. Rafi de la Rosa.
Yourself cannot cook, so he can't do that. So when he say he's a great student, he's really great because he himself is great.